Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. This is my first video this year and I'm super excited and also happy to wish every one of you watching this video a happy new year. So today I'll be making an amazing DIY leave-in conditioner using these two ingredients, with my all-time fave Horsetail Herb and Fenugreek Seed. Guys, with this combo, trust me, your leave-in conditioner could never, like, no leave-in conditioner could never, because this is really an amazing leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to be sharing with you the benefits of both of these ingredients before I get right into the video. Horsetail Herb has amazing benefit that is great not only for our health but also our hair. It helps to improve hair growth speed, it boosts scalp circulation, it also has silica content which usually helps when trying to stimulate hair growth, it reduces dandruff and also improves hair strength and growth. So this is the bomb, guys. So moving to the benefits of fenugreek. Fenugreek also has amazing benefits when it comes to hair growth. The mucilage content of fenugreek helps to replenish the hair and provide smoothness, allowing us to detangle our hair easily. So if you're battling with moisture, fenugreek is the way for you. And it also helps to prevent hair fall. It also nourishes the hair follicles to promote faster and healthier new growth. And lastly, it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that helps with dandruff and scalp irritation. I've already made my fenugreek by leaving it overnight. You don't necessarily have to leave yours overnight. You can actually do it the same day and leave it for a couple of hours. But me, I decided to leave mine overnight so that I'm not going to waste time while making this leave-in conditioner. So when applying the fenugreek, one thing you should keep in mind is you don't need to add too much seed. Yes, because this, if you see the seed I put before I apply the water inside, you see that now the seed is looking times 2 than what it looked like before. It's just like rice. When you add water to it, it swells up. So you don't need to add too much of the seed, just a little bit of it. Now I even added too much here, but I'm just telling you guys just to keep in mind next time you're trying it. This is how it looks like. As you can see that the color has changed and it's showing that we've gotten all of the nutrients, that we need. So it has to have this color before you decide that okay, it has gotten the nutrients. So what we're going to do is that we're going to sieve out the liquid from the bowl using a sieve. If you don't want to waste the fenugreek seed, not to worry, you can actually use this seed to make a deep conditioner and an oil. So all you just need to do to know how to make a deep conditioner and oil with this seed is just by clicking on the video up on the screen to check it out and see how you can do that. So guys, you don't need to waste it if you don't want to. So next, moving to how to make the Horsetail Herb liquid. For this, we're just going to pour hot water into the bowl. So make sure you boil the water before you start. You can actually leave it overnight if you want to, but I decided that let me just make it this now. I'll show you guys how I make it. What you just need to do is just add hot water to it and then you leave it for a couple of hours. Like I left mine for 2 hours. You can leave it for 2 hours or more depending on how well you want the nutrients to enter the liquid very well. So that is one thing you need to do. how the color is going to be looking like after you let it sit for hours. Like I said earlier, I let mine sit for 2 hours. As you can see, the color is looking darker than before, which shows, like the same thing with the fenugreek, shows that all of the nutrients have been absorbed. Now we're going to sieve out the liquid from the mixture. Here is the Horsetail Herb liquid, and there is the fenugreek liquid. So we're going to add both together, and we're going to stir both mixtures properly so that they merge together and form that badass DIY leave-in conditioner. Now you transfer the liquid into your spray bottle. I would have used a clearer spray bottle so that you can see the color of how it looks like, but my other spray bottle is occupied. So this DIY conditioner, trust me guys, is amazing, and I recommend it for you guys because if you know, Horsetail Herb strengthens the hair and fenugreek moisturizes the hair. So you get the best from both of them. So you are not just strengthening your hair, you are also moisturizing your hair. So you know what guys, you're getting best of both worlds. And you're also getting the nutrients from each of them, which is going to help with healthy hair and also make your hair grow and also maintain the health of your hair. I recommend this. You can spray this as a regular leave-in conditioner. You can spray it overnight. You can also spray it during the day. Let's say your hair feels dry and want to re-moisturize your hair. This is a great leave-in conditioner for you. I recommend you try it. If you want to store it, you can store it in the fridge to make sure. If you don't have a preserver, I'm going to use this for 2 days. I don't use it for more than 2 days, sometimes in a day, because of how full and thick my hair is. So in 2 days I use this, so I don't need to put it in the fridge. In 2 days it's still perfectly fine. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to please like, and also don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this year, so guys, help a sister and please subscribe to get more natural hair videos, also a bit of talk videos and lifestyle videos. See you guys next time. Bye.